Hello sir, good evening. So I choose this painting Girl with a Pearl Earring by Johannes Bummers. So the painting's power lies in its ambiguity. The girl's gaze, expression are enigmatic, inviting viewers to speculate about her identity, thoughts, and emotions. The pearl earring itself is a powerful symbol. Pearls were associated with purity, innocence, and even sensuality in the 17th century. The earring size and placement emphasize its importance, suggesting deeper meaning. The blue turban might also hold symbolic significance, possibly representing modesty or spirituality. Now, when it comes to visual seeing naman, the painting's visual impact stems from its composition, color, palette, and the artist's skillful use of light and shadow. The viewer sees a young woman, her gaze directed slightly away from the viewer, creating a sense of intimacy and distance simultaneously. The pearl earring stands out brilliantly against her dark clothing and her dark background. The subtle texture of the fabric are also visually striking. Now, and the visual text naman, the visual text refers to the visual elements that conveys meaning and create a narrative. In this case, the visual text includes girl's gaze. Her direct eye, enigmatic gaze, draws the viewers in and prompts interpretation. The pearl earring. This is focal point as visually striking element that adds to the painting's mystery and elegance. The turban. The turbans adds a splash of color and further contributes to the mysterious ambience. And of course, the lightning. The play of light and shadow creates a sense of depth and drama. Highlight certain aspects while leaving others in shadow. So the composition, the close-up composition creates a sense of intimacy, bringing the viewers closer to the subject. The combination of these visual elements creates a powerful and enduring image, making Girl with a Pearl Earring one of the most iconic and beloved paintings in art history.